Corey!
What up, boys?
Wait, you're not Scott? I need it to be quieter because it's too loud for how fast it is.
It's a little raspy and a little drony. You gotta set it up properly.
I have sensitive ears. I love the sleeper mode. I need permanent sleeper mode.
Sleeper all the time. With that baby life, right?
Yeah, I barely got. I had to park my car forward into my house so that the exhaust doesn't go towards the house when I start it up. I'm not allowed to like leave this with this car at night. I tried. I couldn't push it. It was too heavy.
It has the like the drone tubes on the exhaust. I still. Honest, some of them are fake. Some of them they just put on for looks. Yo, what up, everybody? Corey at Hot Rods, baby. Yuri from Straight Pipes came to my shop. He said, Corey, yo, I need to tone down my 350. I just bought it. It's too crazy loud. I got these wild mufflers on it. It's just too loud. Can you put on a stock exhaust? No, I can't. But I told him I could. So guess what I'm gonna give him? Valve mufflers, baby. He doesn't even know it. Let's go. This is what TV's all about, baby. Bro, let's go. What is sleeper mode? Well, let me tell you, folks. We have a baffled muffler with valve control. When the valve is closed, baffled, like OEM. And when the valve's open, straight pipe, baby. That's why Yuri needs it. Straight pipe, straight pipe. You know? Yo, sleeper mode. Open, close. You're good to go. Nice and quiet. Nuts! Sleeper mode! Keep your neighbors happy, baby! So here's the play. This is Yuri's car. We just installed sleeper mode mufflers, so valve control, open, closed. So when he comes to start the car, he's gonna think he got an OEM system. I'm gonna keep the valve shut. I'm gonna let him rev it up a little bit, then I'm gonna hit the switch, baby. That's quieter? Go, shove it. That sounds pretty sick. Should I go up and down the street and see what it's like? Oh, did you put oh no! Yeah, buddy! Sleeper mode! You're the NASTYCARTEL, baby! We gotta set Straight Pipes up, come on! Wow! Yeah, buddy! Wow. These guys don't go OEM! Never! Not a Hot Rods, baby! OEM muffler? I think not! Sleeper mode! Let's go!